What is oxy-acetylene welding? Safeties of oxy-acetylene welding. Oxy-acetylene welding, often called gas welding, is a fusion welding process that uses a high-temperature flame produced by burning a mixture of oxygen and acetylene gas. The primary flame temperature reaches approximately 3100 degrees C. The flame melts the edges of the base metal to create a molten pool. A filler rod is usually added manually to fill the joint. Application on ships. While it can be used for welding thin plates, on board ships it is primarily used for gas cutting, brazing, soldering, and preheating metal parts. Safeties of oxy-acetylene welding. This is the most critical part for a marine engineer. Equipment safety. The hardware. Flashback arrestors must be fitted at both the regulator end and the torch end. They prevent a flame from traveling back into the cylinders, which could cause an explosion. Color coding. Oxygen, black or blue, cylinder, right-hand threads, standard. Acetylene, maroon, red, cylinder, left-hand threads, notched nuts. Cylinder storage, store in a well-ventilated space, usually the battery room or a dedicated locker on deck. Acetylene cylinders must always be kept upright. If laid flat, the liquid acetone inside can escape and cause an explosion. Hose condition. Check for cracks or leaks using soapy water, never a flame. Operational safety. The procedure. Hot work permit. Essential before starting anywhere on the ship. Pressure settings. Never set acetylene pressure above 1.0 bar 15 psi, as it becomes unstable and explosive above this pressure. Lighting the torch. Use a friction lighter, sparker, never a cigarette lighter or matches. PPE. Use grade 5 tinted goggles to protect against UV or IR and glare, leather gloves, and an apron. Fire watch. A designated person with a fire extinguisher, CO2 or dry powder, must stand by during and after the work, usually for 30 to 60 minutes. Direct answer to surveyor. Sir, the most critical safety features are the flashback arrestors fitted on both the torch and regulator to prevent a backfire from reaching the cylinders. Secondly, acetylene cylinders must always be stored upright to prevent the discharge of liquid acetone. Thirdly, we must ensure color-coded hoses and opposite threading, left hand for acetylene, are used to prevent cross-connection. Finally, no hot work is ever performed without a hot work permit and a dedicated fire watch.